Many see installation of a bathtub as a very complicated process. We will try to show this installation as simply as possible, using a Virgo product as our example. This is a rectangular bathtub with modern geometric lines. Firstly, make sure you have everything needed for the job. Be careful and precise, as this involves many small parts, screws, nuts and clamps. What's more, the following tools will be needed: a drill, a spirit level, a screwdriver, a tape measure, a pencil and silicone. First, screw the legs onto the frame, then the frame to the base of the bathtub. The screws should be attached to the reinforcement on the base of the tub. The distances between the parts are important. The two parts of the frame must be spaced apart as far as possible, and the distance between them and the bathtub's drain should be 120 millimeters. The distance between the spirit level, supported on the legs of the tub, and the bottom edge of the bathtub's rim must be equal to the height of the panel, in this case 540 millimeters. Then level the remaining three legs with the base leg to ensure they are of equal height. Mounting of the bathtub on the wall can now begin. Ensure the bathtub is on an even keel, and with a pencil mark precisely where the bathtub's rim sits against the wall. Attach the specially profiled clamps 60 millimeters below the points marked out. Next, remove the protective plastic film from those parts of the tub where it would be difficult to remove later, and install the bathtub on the clamps. This should be a perfect fit. Remove the remaining protective film. Remember not to install bathroom tiles over the bathtub's rim, as this would impede its removal. Having installed the bathtub, it is time to add its side surrounding panels. Check that the installation set is complete. Remove the plastic protection film in those areas where the panels are connected. Then drill holes for the connection of the end and side panel, top and bottom, at the corner of the rim. Hammer the spindles into these holes and connect the two panels to form one element. This must be attached to the bathtub so that it slides under it and fits into the rim. Then, check the vertical alignment with the spirit level. With a pencil, mark the bottom edge of the front panel on the floor and the vertical edges of the front and side panel on the walls. Remove the combined paneling and install the remaining elements, the metal pieces. First, these are attached to the floor and on the wall at a distance of 5 millimeters from the lines marked out earlier. Drill holes through the openings of these pieces. Then, attach the last one to the block that is located under the bathtub's rim halfway along its length. Before the final installation of the panel, remove the protective film. Finally, slide the finished panel into the prepared connections. It is important to avoid using a hammer for this purpose, as it may damage the panels. To properly weigh the bathtub down, fill it with water to the level of the overflow. Then fill the gap between the wall and the bathtub rim with silicone, which will prevent water from penetrating beneath the tub. Everything is now ready. Before enjoying a relaxing bath, wait 24 hours to allow the silicone to set, after which the bathtub can be filled with water for a relaxing soak in our modern bathroom.